Orlando Pirates is now a position-based team. Coach Wadu changed absolutely everything about the Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates is no longer the same football club, in my opinion. Mangpegeleli Orlando Pirates, I don't see a difference from the Mamelodi Sundowns ka Coach Rulani. After Coach Rulani, for me, one of the most tactical coaches we have in the Petwe Premiership, Coach Wadu. Unbelievable tactical genius, in my opinion. But I think it is later for people to understand, because there needs to be a tactical evolution in this football club. But from a position-based team, unbelievable. If we check our first half in terms of keeping the ball, in terms of dragging Ilentuza, Ipulukwane City into your half and then finding those deep diagonal balls. It came in a variation. If we check out Ipulukwane City, the entire first half, Shane, they were no shot on target, but half ground. Lot Gambana, they were working very hard to change Zasho. Menangbone, Amacheza man's in tea.
Lord,
Lord is my shepherd.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.